How are you all? Already, this is my third lecture. Okay, and yesterday means in my previous lecture, I have given you one small example. I request each and every student to solve that one. Only if your students have sent, and I am expecting that each and every student will send me the solved numerical. Okay, and now let us go to today's lecture. Already you have solved two numericals, but in our examination point of view, we have to solve different types of numericals. Okay, because how Mumbai University, how paper setting will be there, we don't know. Okay, so whatever it is there, in which way they have given question, we have to solve. That is our duty. Okay, now let us see one more example with different. Okay, but don't be panicked. If you remember, as per our up to now still lectures, the main important point is fx and fy. Am I correct? Now, in the similar way here, procedure will be same. Only small changes will be there, and small like difficulty level will be increased. Okay, and in that case, how we have to solve the numerical, we will see in this session. Okay. Now let us go to the question now. First of all, here it is an example. A 250 liter per second of water is flowing in a pipe having a diameter of 300 mm if the pipe is bent in 135 degrees. That is, change from initial to final direction is 135 degrees. Okay. Find the magnitude and direction of resultant force on the bend. The pressure of water flowing is 39.24 centimeters square. Okay, here this is 39.24 centimeters square. Now here what he has given. Here this 250 liter per second is nothing but obviously that is Q value, and in previous sum how it is there, A1 is different, A2 is different, but here both the diameters are same. Okay, now what is the difficulty level I will say here. First suppose before he will give our one angle for us, that is theta value he will give. Okay, this bending location means at this location the bending is 135 degrees. Understood? At this location the bending is 135 degrees means the pipe will go like this. Sorry. The bending overall here, for suppose if you see the bending here, it will be 135 degrees. Okay, now here actually here it is there, but here we have to find our theta value. How we have to find? Let us see now. Okay, here this is the cross section in this image. Okay, P1 he has given, and here 135 degrees it is there, and but here he has taken 45 degrees, and here this is the rough diagrams of this all. First B location means at section 2 and at section 1. These are our rough diagrams you can say. Okay, now obviously here how much here it is there, 185 degrees. Here we are not taking full circle, here we are taking only half circle. If you are taking half circle, how much angle will be there here? 180. 180. Okay, here how much he has given for us? This distance is 135 degrees, and remaining part, this one, how much will be this one? This one, that is nothing but 180 minus 135. If you make 180 minus 135, you will get the 45 degrees value, and remaining part is same here. If you see in V2 part, in this direction, as it is going in opposite direction, we have to take sine value, and as it is going from adjacent side, we will take cos. Similarly here, adjacent side cos we are taking, and here if you see it is coming forward, but still we have to take that one as opposite direction only. The value is sine 45. Okay, now let us go to the, hope you have understood. If you are having any doubt, no problem, please contact me, I will explain once again. Okay, now here first of all, pressure how much he has given, P1 is equal to P2. As if you see here, diameter both is same, means D1 is equal to 300 mm, D2 is equal to 300 mm. So pressure will be same at section 1 and at section 2. Means here how much pressure it is there, and here also same pressure will be there. That is as per our question. Okay, just now I said the question paper may be in different types of patterns. Okay, now here that is 39.24 Newton per centimeter square. If I am converting it into meter, 39.24 into 10 is to 4 Newton per meter square. Discharge Q is equal to 250 liter per second. That is, if you are converting it into meter cube, that is 0.25. Next, diameter of bend at inlet and outlet. Obviously, how much he has given? D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 300 mm. That is 0.3 meter. Area, you know how to find the area. And velocity of water at section 1 and 2. As if you see pressure is same, diameter is same, obviously velocity will be also same here. That is V is equal to V1 is equal to V2, that is equal to Q by area. You know the formula, that from this formula I have taken this one. Q is equal to A into V. Q is equal to A into B, means here we are having different types of section, means two sections we have taken. So the value will be A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Here A1 is equal to A2, Q is same, so obviously V also will be there. V is equal to V1 is equal to V2, that is 3.537 meter per second. So now P1 value is there, A1 value is there, V value is there, everything is known value. Okay, now what is our next step? We have to find the force values. Now see here, force along x direction. First of all, I am taking in x direction, and after we have to take in y direction. X direction, y direction. Now, what is our formula? Rho q into v1x minus v2x plus p1x a1 plus p2x a2. Don't be